Got some precision tool room lathes. They will either be refurbished or being refurbished. Ways are nice, 3-phase. Nice horizontal bandsaw. This ways are nice. We have all these machines posted on. This just got repainted very well. These are in good condition. Threads are clean. Have a nice Victor lathe, 3-phase. Comes with center, other tooling. All around very good machine. Has to be cleaned up a little bit, but metric threads. Sorry about the glare, but we got a nice Super Max. Needs a little bit of love. You could buy it as is, but the price will change. We have dozens and dozens and dozens of different types of machinery, from CNC, manual, to just tooling. Come check us out in Bristol, CT. I will have a link in the description of the eBay account that has all of these machines. It's just damn near our whole inventory on eBay. Check us out. Clean table. Here's with these.